Hey guys, welcome to Nick's Tips. Today we're going to be assembling a skateboard. Okay, in order to do this, you're going to need to have your hardware, your tools, and of course, your trucks, bearings, and wheels. Oh, how could I forget? Grip tape. Okay, let's get started. So now that we have our deck laid out, we're going to start off by putting the grip tape on top. Now in order to do this, you want to make sure that you're equal on each side. And you want to make sure that you're over the board 100%. Okay, everything here looks good. So we're going to peel off the backing. Some people, they like to peel it only halfway, and you could do it like that. You're just going to have to start it off from one end and work your way to the other. So I prefer to do the whole thing. Don't throw this away, you're going to need it. Now we have our grip tape ready to go on the board. You want to use your middle fingers, and you're just going to guide your fingers to the center of the board on each side. That will give you a better direction of where you want to put the grip tape. And you're just going to kind of drop the center down and then let the rest kind of flow with it. Once you do that, you're going to want to apply pressure starting from the middle out. Now, of course, grip tape is rough, so you're not going to want to slide your hands across it. Not going to work. It's going to hurt. So that's why you keep this around, because then you can put it back on top and use it to help push all those air bubbles. And again, starting from the middle, working your way out. Okay. And I'm going to cut all the way around the edge. Now that I have the grip tape applied, has a nice cut all the way around the edges. Now what I want to do is take that extra grip tape that I did cut off, and I just want to use some of it, just a little piece, to just run around the side of the board. So I have this tool here, it's nice and pointy, and I'm just going to poke it through the holes. So you're just going to apply a little bit of pressure where the hole is with the screw, and it will go through. Do that to all 8. So I'm going to take my bearings, and in order to install them onto the wheel, I'm going to use my trucks. Now using the trucks, I'm going to take 2 bearings and place them on just like so. And if you look closely, there's color on one side and no color on the other. Make sure that the color is facing down when you do this. Take your wheel, just put it over top, and all you're going to want to do is give it a little bit of pressure. That should force it on. Now, that other one that I had on there, it got stuck as well. But that's okay, because we could also use the truck to install it and remove it. Now spin the wheel around and do the same thing to the other side. This time just the one bearing. it's okay to do a double check. Now as you see, the bearings are in the wheel. Okay, now all four wheels all have bearings in them. So now we want to put them onto the trucks. In order to do that, we have to remove the nuts and washers that come on the trucks. Okay, so now what we want to do is take the wheels and install them to the truck. Now remembering those washers, we want to make sure that we have one on first, then the wheel, then another washer, and then the nut. So let's go ahead and do that to all of them. Okay, there you have it. We have the wheels attached to the truck. But as you can see, the nut is still loose. So we're going to tighten it up just snug to the wheel. You can judge this by moving the wheel while you tighten up your nut. Now that's pretty tight, so now I'm going to back it off just one good turn. And that seems good. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to the rest of them. Now that we have the wheels fully attached to the trucks, we're going to want to assemble the trucks to the deck. Alright. Now, you don't want to put the trucks on backwards, and that will look something like this. You want to have the kingpin, which runs through the base of the truck to the axle, facing inwards. So it will look like that. Okay. You're going to have to tighten these down, but go ahead and do that to all 8. Okay, there you have it. Complete skateboard. And that's it for today on Nick's Tips.